Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to efficiently convert an image into a PDF using the popular online tool, ilovepdf.com. So, let's get started. But before we proceed, let's take a moment to introduce ilovepdf. It is a user-friendly website that offers a multitude of PDF-related tools, allowing you to manipulate, edit, and convert PDF files effortlessly. So, open up your web browser and type ilovepdf.com in the search bar. As you can see, we have landed on the ilovepdf homepage. Today, we will be focusing on converting an image file to a PDF document. To accomplish this, click on the JPG to PDF tool. Upon clicking, you will be directed to a new page where you can upload the image file you want to convert. Simply click on the Select button to begin. This will open up your computer's File Explorer. Locate the image file you want to convert and select it. Once you've chosen the file, click Open to initiate the upload process. Great! Now that our file has successfully uploaded, it's time to convert it into a PDF. Click on the Convert to PDF button. ilovepdf will process the conversion, and once it's completed, a download prompt will appear. Click on the Download button to save the converted PDF file to your computer. Fantastic! You have successfully converted your image file into a PDF using ilovepdf. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.